Do you want to achieve financial freedom in 2024? Welcome to the digital era where opportunities are just a click away. In this video, we'll unveil 5 simple steps to make money online and pave your way to financial independence. We'll explore identifying your niche, creating quality content, building an online presence, monetizing your content, and finally, scaling and diversifying your online venture. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the first step. Step 1. Identify your niche. Think of this as the cornerstone of your online venture. You need to pinpoint something that sparks your interest and aligns with your skills. This could be anything from travel blogging to digital art creation or even language teaching. The key is to find something you're passionate about and can consistently produce content for. Remember, passion fuels consistency and consistency breeds success. Having identified your niche, it's now time to create quality content. Step 2. Create quality content. Your chosen niche is your stage, but your content is the performance that truly matters. It's essential to generate content that resonates with your audience while upholding a high standard of quality. Whether it's engaging blog posts, captivating videos, or innovative digital products, your content is the lifeblood of your online venture. Remember, in the digital world, content is indeed king. With your content prepared and polished, we're ready to take the next leap forward, building an online presence. Step 3. Build an online presence. This is the digital equivalent of setting up shop. You've got your goods, now you need a venue to showcase them. Start with a website. This is your home base where people can find your content, learn more about you, and engage directly. But don't stop there. Spread your influence across social media platforms. Be active, be engaging, and remember, consistency is key. Now let's move to step 4. Monetizing your content. This is where the rubber meets the road. There are plenty of avenues to explore. Affiliate marketing is a tried and true method. You promote a product and earn a commission for any sales made through your referral. Sponsored posts are another option. Brands pay you to feature their products in your content, or you can sell your own products or services. The choice depends on what best suits your niche. Now that you've started earning, it's time to scale and diversify. Step 5. Scale and diversify. As profits roll in, seek ways to grow your enterprise and diversify your revenue sources. Consider branching into fresh niches or crafting new products. With these 5 steps, you're well on your way to achieving financial freedom in 2024. And that's it. Those are the 5 simple steps to achieving financial freedom in 2024. Remember, identifying your niche, creating quality content, building an online presence, monetizing and scaling are part of a journey, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.